Hello students! Today's topic is about the process of determining the specific gravity of coarse aggregate at saturated surface dry condition or SSD. Specific gravity of aggregate is the ratio of the mass of the unit volume of aggregate to the mass of the same volume of water. Saturated surface dry condition or SSD is the condition where the aggregate spores are filled with water but the surface is dry. Specific gravity of aggregate can be used in designing and controlling the weight of concrete. Specific gravity can also be an indicator of the quality of an aggregate. High specific gravity often indicate high quality, while low specific gravity means weak, porous, and absorptive material. In this test, we're using the principle of buoyancy in evaluating the specific gravity of coarse aggregate. We can also determine the percent of water absorption of aggregate in this test. Absorption is the capacity of aggregate to absorb water into its permeable pores. Absorption values of aggregates are used to adjust the proportioning of materials in concrete mix. Therefore, the objective of this activity is to determine the specific gravity of coarse aggregate and its absorption. For this activity, these are the following required equipments. To prepare the sample for testing, first sieve the aggregate using 10 mm sieve. Soak the aggregate in water for a period of 24 hours. Remove the aggregate from water, then use a large absorbent cloth to remove visible film of water. This turns aggregate into saturated surface dry condition. Weigh the SSD aggregate in air and record it as WA. Assemble the specific gravity test apparatus. Make sure that the apparatus is calibrated and filled with water. Weigh the wire basket while submerged in water and record it as WB. Put the aggregate into the wire basket. Check the aggregates while being placed into the basket. Weigh the wire basket with the aggregate while submerged in water and record it as WW. You can calculate the specific gravity of aggregate at SSD condition by using this equation. Remove the aggregates from the basket and put it on a container. Place the sample in the oven to dry at 105 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After drying, weigh the oven-dried sample and record it as WD. You can calculate the percent absorption of aggregate by using this equation.
"24 hours later." the next day.
That's it. Hope you like the video, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!